Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey man, how's it going?
Doing well, how are you?
I'm good. I've got a date night coming up and I'm running low on recipes and I heard that you're the man for the job. I mean, I'm gonna kiss you right now. You called the right dude. All right, what are you thinking? I need something special, something restaurant-esque, something that's gonna knock the socks off. Let's see. What about penne alla vodka? Sounds extreme. Let's do it. Quite fire, quite romantic, quite delicious. Should we get cooking? Let's do it, man.
This video is mostly me and Liam talking during the cooking, but if you want to see the whole recipe, go click down below on Liam's video to check it out. All right, so let's get cooking. So we're making penne alla vodka. I feel like you got to step up your date night game. Do you agree?
It sounds good. I like that.
Yeah, so we are making next level. This isn't like some takeout or we can't even go to restaurants right now. So I feel like you have to create the restaurant experience in your house. So that's what we're going to do today.
Let's do this.
All right, do you have all your ingredients?
Yes, I do. I hope so.
All right, so should we just get cooking?
Let's do it.
Okay, so do you have some water that we can get some boiling in a pot?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, awesome. So yeah, right up here on my stovetop, I have water. And now, while we are getting that going, I want to hear from you. So what is your background typically with food? Like, how has food impact your life when you were a kid?
As a kid, my dad actually used to cook quite a lot in the house, which he used to. I feel like he kind of taught me how to cook, so he didn't have to do it anymore. I think that was.
I love that. What was your favorite food as a kid?
My dad used to make a good steak, and I mean traditional for the UK, like a Sunday roast, which you guys only ever seem to really have on like Thanksgiving or special occasions, but like a good Sunday roast.
Speaking of UK food, what is your thoughts on toast with baked beans on top? Because I don't get it.
No, my girlfriend's from Texas and she doesn't get it either, but I think it's best. You put a bit of cheese on there. I mean, to be honest with you, like our British meals are like, there's nothing like, except for like fish and chips, which is like the most unhealthy thing ever. Like we just have like Sunday roast and that's it, I feel. I'm trying to think
that's
like
really cool.
What else we have for our type of food, but there's not really very much.
Yeah, fish and chips is great. Awesome. We got garlic. So penne alla vodka is quite heavy on the garlic, which might not be good for a date night because your breath might smell, but the food tastes so good, so I feel like that makes up for it.
How much do we need?
I use 10 cloves.
Oh, that's a lot. 1, 2. I'm gonna be good.
Yeah, it's quite heavy on the garlic, so you don't have to do 10 if you don't want to. But definitely 10, I think, is a good place to start. And for the garlic,
you are the boss. 10 it is.
Yeah. So now, do you usually cook? Who cooks in your house?
I cook quite a lot. But I like, you know what? I like it. I think it's one of the best times to cook is on Christmas. Because you can like safely stay behind all of the kitchen and then just let the drama unfold in front of you. You know, you're seeing pots boiling, you're seeing families boiling.
For sure. And now I was wondering, with your new song Midnight out, I was wondering, what is your go-to midnight snack? Because I don't know about you, but during quarantine, I've been up at all hours of the night and I've been eating a lot of midnight snacks.
Don't get me started. Midnight snacking, usually something chocolatey.
Yeah, that's quite good.
Go to as well.
Yeah, those are great. Last night I made these like chocolate cookies and I ate probably 4 of them at around midnight. Midnight snacks are just great.
Well,
yeah,
I've got the cookie for you. How do you counteract how your hands smell with garlic afterwards?
Unpopular opinion, I love the smell of raw garlic, although it can get quite sticky on your hands, as you probably notice when you cut it, because of like it has some types of like oils and juices in it. So typically I'll just wash it under some water and that usually does the job. But yeah, definitely is quite smelly.
Life hack. Please comment underneath.
Now, so I've got my garlic chopped up. How many do you have chopped up?
Maybe 3.
All right, see, this is the thing. It's a cooking lesson. We're going to get even faster. What is your go-to type of food when you're on tour? Because tour is something that's always like fascinated me because I feel like you would think you have a lot of time because like you're only on stage for like, let's say a few hours of the day, but it's probably very busy. So like, is your tour diet like basically all candy? Because I feel like that's what I would eat the whole time.
I mean, when I was younger, most definitely, because I don't feel like when you're young, you can eat anything and you just feel fine afterwards. There was a lot of takeout on the tour bus for sure, because it's like traveling from place to place, you know, you're stuck on the tour bus. You know, we've once walked through McDonald's drive-through at like 4 o'clock in the morning when we're like, everywhere. But yeah, I mean, we had a caterer on the tour who was really, really great. So it was a lot of home cooked meals in between. And then on a night time, usually quite bad food.
But that now.
Oh, that's great.
I think that's going to have to change, otherwise I will be piling on the pounds.
Yeah, I know. I have like the metabolism of a racehorse. Everyone always asks me how I don't weigh like 1,000 pounds because I literally eat all day. But I'm just like holding on to my young teenage boy metabolism right now.
I'm trying to convince myself that that's what's happening, but I think as the years go by, that slowly fades. So don't get too used to that.
I know. I feel like my parents always say like I'm gonna have to slow down with how much I eat, but I feel like I'm way too vain to like. I'll just get like a personal trainer. I feel like at that point.
I like your style.
By the way, I was wondering, what is your go-to type of knife in the kitchen?
Like
what are you using now?
This is actually I got for. It's a VG Max Damascus.
Oh, Damascus steel. That's really good.
One.
Oh, it's the same knife that I have, just a different handle.
Oh, no way.
There you go, knife buddies.
My girlfriend bought me these for Christmas with the inclination that I would carry on cooking, I think.
She's probably grateful. I need to have a guy who cooks. Have you ever flambéed before?
Do you know what? I think my dad might have done it with me once, and we used to make a real big deal of turning the lights out in the kitchen to have a look at it.
I'm going to make a big deal about it also, because once we do that, I'm going to turn off a bunch of my lights. Because basically what we're going to be doing is after we fry up our garlic, we're going to add in some vodka. Do you have some vodka there?
We do. How much vodka?
Awesome. I use about 1/4 cup of vodka. Now, it's actually a very important ingredient in the Payne vodka. Now, anytime I cook with it for these type of recipe videos, people are like, Eitan, like, you can't cook with vodka because you're 18, and here in America, you need to be 21. But we're actually going to flambe it, which removes all the alcohol because it burns all the alcohol off. And what you're left with is, you know, like it says on the way I always describe why I use it is, you know, it says on like alcohol bottles, let's say that it's like 40% alcohol. Mm-hmm. So what we need of this vodka is the other 60%, which has a lot of great flavor.
Okay.
Okay, we have the vodka. Do you have a lighter?
Somewhere.
Preferably a long lighter, just so you don't have to put your hand in the pot.
This is where I'm going to lose a few arm hairs, I think.
Yes, you want to be very, very careful. All right, you ready? So let's do it. Maybe I'll do it first, then you'll do it.
Go for it.
So it's not too much craziness. Okay, so you can see my pan here, right?
Yes.
All right, so you're going to add in the vodka and then immediately light it on fire. Are you ready?
Flambé.
Okay, don't burn off your hair. I feel like your hair is very important.
Whoa!
Oh!
You're flambé.
Now shake it. That's how it ends the fire. Quick. Shake it. All right, the fire should go out in about a few seconds.
We nearly set my ceiling on fire.
All right, but is everything good though? We're good, except for
we're
good. We're good. Sorry for the traumatic experience. But we got through.
There's a fireball in the pan. All right, we're good.
How much vodka did you add in?
1/4 a cup.
That's it. Oh, that looks like a lot more.
Cup.
Oh, you did a cup? Oh, so yeah, that would be why there was quite the fireball.
Okay, emergency over. I can breathe.
We survived.
People, measure accurately is the lesson there.
Okay, yeah, I think the lesson we learned is when you're flambeing, make sure you use the right amount of vodka.
No, everything is surprisingly all right. I mean, the ceiling is actually not that burnt. It's like I can see like where the flames have tickled it.
Oh God! Alrighty. Well, let's get on to the next step.
Brilliant.
Okay, that was a traumatic experience, but we got through it.
Right. Your face was so funny the other, and you were like, "Are you okay?"
I was like, "Oh God, did I just burn down Liam's house?"
But like, I was literally like, I was thinking, how am I going to escape this flame ball in a moment when it eventually sets the house on fire?
Okay, luckily it didn't. Yeah, just cook it till it's like al dente.
Al dente.
I wish I had an accent. That's like my thing. I hate that I don't have like a cool accent. Right, perfect.
I was literally like walking around the kitchen like this now. Like, let's just make sure.
They're like, we are never letting Eitan in our house. Okay, so I figured while we have this cooking away for about 5-6 minutes, you just recently joined TikTok, am I right?
Yes. Yes, very.
You want to make a TikTok?
Let's make a TikTok.
All right, yo, Liam, do you want to learn how to cut an onion like a chef?
Let's do it, man.
All right, here, let me just drop the onion down for you. Oh, okay, there you go. All right, and I have another onion over here. You want to still have the root intact, just get a little bit cut off so you don't have that brown part. Now, cut off the other end, a little slice.
Little slice.
We're gonna cut it in half.
There we go.
3/4 of the way, and you're going to make cuts down so that it looks like this, kind of like a book.
Oh, so not the whole way down?
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is interesting. I've not done this before.
Flat on top, and now make a cut sideways, very carefully, making sure not to cut your hand. Make a bear claw with your hand, just like that. Cut, using your knife, down like this into a perfect little dice.
Oh wow.
All right, do you want to maybe hand me over some of your diced onions up here? Oh, got them. All right, Liam, that looks perfect. Thank you so much. All right, and that is how you cut an onion. Click the plus button for more videos. There you go. We just made a TikTok.
I mean, I'm covered in onions, but we've made a TikTok.
Yeah, are you crying out here? I am very much crying.
No, actually, I'm surprisingly all right. Maybe I've got no soul.
And while we're doing this, what is your favorite pasta? I don't even think I asked. I just kind of am like, all right, we're making penne al vodka.
Carbonara is my favorite one to make.
Yeah, that one's great. And that one's also pretty quick and easy also,
Good,
which is kind of
but
my
you have to
thing.
be obviously very careful with the egg at the end.
Yes. Yeah, my brother actually had salmonella, so we are extra cautious about eggs.
That's crazy.
Yeah, quite traumatic. And now actually, while we're making pasta, a little shameless plug, and I think you might enjoy this also, is this Tuesday, I am releasing a 6-week-long handmade pasta series on my Instagram.
Oh, wow. That's great. Now.
Yeah, we have been literally in my house eating, breathing, sleeping, everything pasta. Literally, pasta's been like our life for the past few weeks while I've been filming.
I love pasta.
Yeah, it's not really a problem. It's been a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. It's coming live on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. For me, I don't know about you. I think I already know the answer just based on looking at you from Zoom. How do you like to usually stay fit and everything? For me, like my workout consists of grating pasta and that's it. I mean, grating cheese.
I'll be honest with you, working out during quarantine's been quite difficult because the motivation's just a lot harder. I mean, especially I usually have a trainer that I go and see in town, so it's been quite difficult, obviously with kit and different things as well. But I don't know, I mean, the thing about working out, I think, is start small. Don't aim to go and do like a full big session straight off. Go and do like a little 20-minute session that you know you can handle, and then it doesn't put you off working out straight away. And then just start small, and you'll slowly feel, as you get fitter, you'll build up to, you know, an hour-long session by the time you've finished.
Yeah, I feel like I should maybe start that soon because I don't do any of that.
I'm still getting over the fire.
I feel like after this, like now we've gone through a traumatic experience, I feel like we can get through anything in the kitchen. And now once we have our pasta, we're still gonna wanna let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're trying to just bring together all those flavors, make sure all our cheese is melted, and then it's almost eating time. I don't know about you, but I am very excited.
Yes, very excited. This looks amazing.
Yeah, it's quite delicious, not gonna lie. While this is finishing, I actually, Liam, have a little surprise for you.
You do?
I do, but it requires a quick outfit change.
We're gonna set my house on fire, is it?
No, this one will not, I promise. Give me 2 seconds. Requires a little outfit change.
Oh, go for it.
But, bam! I know you just had a line come out with...
Hey, looking good.
This happens
Ready
to
for
be my
date
favorite
night.
shirt. Yeah, this happens to be my favorite shirt. You definitely, if you want, you can hit up Hugo Boss and maybe they can send me some of the collection.
Yes, definitely. We'll do that.
Just gonna say, yeah, I figured, it's a date night dinner. I feel like I wanted to get dressed up a little nicer, even though I don't have anyone to eat the date night dinner with. I think it's the time. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah, this is looking good.
I feel like, especially you, have earned this. Yeah, it does make quite a big serving. So it either feeds about 2 very hungry people, or it'll feed like 3 people. So maybe if you have like a...
Looks great.
I do tend to be a third wheel. So if you ever need a third wheel on one of your dates to finish the rest of the pasta, I definitely can be there for you.
Let's do it.
I'm even going to come in front of the island to show the world the pasta we made. Can you bring it up to the camera? That looks absolutely fire. I think it's
So good.
What about you? All right, let's give it a try. This will be the beginning of the date. I don't want to intrude on your date night, but I feel like we can try it together.
Yeah, we should. I think we've earned the right.
Yeah, we deserved it after the traumatic experience. Although it's quite hot also. We don't want to burn our tongues either. Cheers.
I think I'm fireproof after this. Oh, yeah. That is so good. Good man. Wow.
Worth the experience.
Well worth the experience. Cheesy, creamy, it's all happening.
Yeah, and as you see,
I might just eat this myself.
I won't tell her if you don't. Don't worry.
Wow, man, this is awesome. Unbelievable. Thank you so much. You've saved date night. Well,
Of
I
course,
almost
I'm
ruined it at
so
the same time.
I'm so happy to help. So happy you enjoyed it. Now, we also made, as you guys know, 2 TikToks together. That is on our TikToks, linked down below. And if you guys haven't already checked it out, definitely go check out Liam's new single. I've been jamming out to it lately, and I think you guys will like it too. Go follow Liam if you're not already, although you probably are on all his socials. And yeah, all right, this was super fun. Thank you so much for being on.
Thank you very much.
Of course, call me anytime you have some cooking questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button down below. It's big, it's red, and you should click it to be first so I post new videos. And hit that like if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below what is your go-to date night meal. Me and Liam would like to know, and I'll be responding to all the comments. All right, Liam, I don't know about you, but I think you should go ahead to your date, and I'm going to go ahead to my solo date.
Let's do it, man. I'll see you later.
All right. Cheers. Bye.